So you mentioned, I think, a really, really good point. And I had this actually out here impact
Hmm.
one of my cases lately. What do you tell dads? So obviously getting stamped with the every other weekend where you're getting what most dads would probably say isn't enough time with their kids.
Right.
What are some tips for dads? You get this preliminary order. How can you improve the odds of getting more time as you head towards that trial?
Consistency. It's all about consistency. If if you're asking for if you believe that you're going to want to shoot for joint physical custody, this is the time to hit the ground running. You cannot be inconsistent with your every other week parenting time. And I'm not for sure how California labels the visits with the child, but we call it parenting time here. It used to be called
Mm-hmm.
visitation, but we determined here in the state of Indiana, we don't the parents do not visit their child; they parent their child. And
I
so
want
I
us to go to
always,
that. We go two ways. So we have the same legal physical custody,
uh-huh,
but depending on the judge,
uh-huh,
if you have less than 50% physical parenting time or visitation, then
uh-huh.
they may go sole physical custody and then call the non-primary parents time visitation. But
Wow.
I'm with it. Indiana is one of probably 5 or 6 states that has done away with visitation and made it,
Yeah.
like Colorado calls it, parenting responsibility.
Okay.
I think that's much more fitting. You don't visit
Yeah.
your kids,
Yeah.
you parent them.
Absolutely. Absolutely. So I just tell them consistency is the key. Now, it doesn't always mean that once we go to the final hearing that you're going to automatically get joint physical custody. But I believe that showing the consistency allows him to have a better argument to try to get joint physical custody. Another thing that I always tell my fathers is try to get along with the mother. Now, why is that this is important? Because this is a strategy as well. Being able to get along with the mother, if you are actually getting along with the mother, she's going to allow you to start exercising more time outside of the court order. And then why is that key? Because next time we go modify, you can say, listen, we have been deviating from the court order. I have been keeping my child on Wednesdays, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And so now, because they have deviated from that, not saying that we're trying to set the mother up for failure or anything, but if you
Mm-hmm.
are able to get along with the mother, I'm telling you, these mothers will allow you to start exercising more time with the child. And then essentially, what that helps the fathers do is to get joint physical custody, which ultimately also lowers their child support as well because they're spending more overnights with the child.